Hello, space enthusiasts. Today, we're bringing you a truly interesting and unexpected event that recently happened with SpaceX. We all know how successful SpaceX has been with its launches, right? So, what went wrong this time? We're here with exciting and detailed information about why SpaceX's Starlink launch failed and what happened to the 20 satellites. This story highlights just how complex and challenging space travel can be. Let's dive into the details together. First, let's remind ourselves what SpaceX and the Starlink projects are all about. SpaceX is a company founded by Elon Musk in 2002, aiming to revolutionize space transportation. SpaceX has taken significant steps to make space travel more economical and accessible, accomplishing many successful missions and reshaping the space industry. Starlink, on the other hand, is a satellite network developed by SpaceX to provide high-speed internet access worldwide. This project aims to deliver internet access to even the most remote corners of the world by placing thousands of small satellites in orbit. Starlink has carried out numerous successful launches to date and continues to serve millions of users globally. The incident occurred on July 11, 2024. One of SpaceX's Falcon 9 rockets was launched from Vandenberg Space Force Base in California. This launch was intended to deploy 20 new Starlink satellites into space. However, what seemed like a routine mission ended unexpectedly. The launch was streamed live on X, a social platform owned by SpaceX's founder, Elon Musk. The Falcon 9 rocket took off, and everything seemed to be going smoothly. However, shortly after the rocket's liftoff, the live stream abruptly cut off. Everyone was eager to understand what was happening. Shortly after the launch, Elon Musk explained that the rocket's upper stage engine experienced what is known in technical jargon as RUD, or Rapid Unscheduled Disassembly. This meant the rocket experienced an unexpected failure. RUD is considered a very serious issue in the space industry, and usually results in the rocket breaking apart or exploding. In their statement following the incident, SpaceX noted that the rocket's first stage operated successfully, but there was an issue with the engine in the second stage. Due to this problem, the rocket veered off course instead of reaching its planned orbit. While the rocket itself survived, the Starlink satellites it was carrying did not achieve the correct orbit, leading to a failed mission. Initial investigations into the cause of the problem revealed an issue with the second stage engine's ignition system. This malfunction caused the engine to shut down earlier than expected, preventing the rocket from providing sufficient thrust. SpaceX's previous failures highlight the significance of this latest incident. For example, on June 28, 2015, a Falcon 9 rocket exploded a few minutes after launch during the CRS-7 mission, which was carrying supplies for NASA to the International Space Station. The incident was caused by a strut failure in the rocket's second stage. This strut, a support piece within the liquid oxygen tank, unexpectedly broke, leading to uncontrollable pressure within the tank and the rocket's explosion. This event prompted SpaceX to review its safety and engineering processes. Another example occurred on September 1, 2016. During launch preparations at Cape Canaveral, a Falcon 9 rocket exploded, destroying the rocket and the Amos 6 communications satellite it was carrying. In this case, an anomaly was detected in the rocket's oxygen tank. Investigations revealed an issue with the helium pressurization system in the rocket's upper stage. This explosion led SpaceX to reevaluate and improve its technological safety protocols. These past events serve as reminders of the challenges SpaceX has faced and its efforts to overcome them. Each failure has been an opportunity for SpaceX to enhance its technology and safety measures. For instance, after the CRS-7 and Amos 6 incidents, SpaceX engineers reviewed their rocket designs and testing procedures, implementing stricter safety checks and testing protocols. However, the recent incident on July 11, 2024, once again underscores the complexity and risks involved in space missions. While the full details of this latest event have yet to be disclosed, it is clear that SpaceX will undergo a thorough review and improvement process to overcome this challenge. Such incidents remind all stakeholders in the space industry of the meticulous planning and execution required for each mission. SpaceX's ability to adapt and learn from each failure demonstrates the company's commitment to conducting safer and more successful missions in the future. This failed launch raises questions about the fate of the satellites. According to a statement published on the company's website on Friday, July 12, 2024, the failed mission means that the satellites will inevitably burn up in the atmosphere or fall back to Earth. However, it remains uncertain when this will happen. SpaceX has not provided specific information on when or where the satellites will re-enter. The company explained that this uncertainty is due to the variability of orbital conditions and atmospheric drag. They also mentioned that the re-entry process for the satellites could take anywhere from a few weeks to several months. This situation necessitates careful monitoring of the satellites for both safety and potential impact reasons. However, Jonathan McDowell, an astrophysicist at the Harvard-Smithsonian Center for Astrophysics, known for tracking spacecraft and debris in Earth's orbit, noted that orbital data from SpaceX's onboard measurements were interrupted at some point on July 12, 2024. McDowell also stated that all the objects in question had re-entered the atmosphere, but it is not possible to provide a precise statement regarding this. Thus, it is understood that the satellites will burn up during atmospheric re-entry and will not pose any danger to the ground. Falcon 9, often referred to as SpaceX's workhorse, has had an impeccable track record for years. This rocket has launched over 350 times, carrying thousands of Starlink satellites and commercial payloads into low Earth orbit. It is also known for reliably transporting NASA astronauts to the International Space Station. However, even this dependable rocket can encounter issues from time to time. So, what happened this time? SpaceX suspects that a liquid oxygen leak caused the failure, preventing the upper stage from performing the necessary engine burn. Flight controllers tried to send commands to adjust the satellite's positions, but these efforts were not enough to prevent the hardware from falling back to Earth. The Federal Aviation Administration has requested SpaceX to investigate what went wrong and how to fix it. Federal officials will then decide when the company can resume Falcon 9 launches. It is still unclear if the investigation will affect SpaceX's overall launch schedule, which includes crewed missions. NASA officials have stated that SpaceX adheres to stringent safety standards and takes all necessary precautions, expressing hope that the investigation will not tarnish the company's reputation. NASA emphasized that SpaceX is a vital partner in space exploration and that such investigations are necessary steps to enhance safety. NASA's approach to these incidents focuses on minimizing inherent risks in space travel and continually making improvements. On July 14, 2024, Elon Musk announced on the X platform that SpaceX aims to conduct more Falcon flights this year than NASA's Space Shuttle program did in 30 years. Musk mentioned that the vast majority of these flights would be uncrewed, saying, "The greatest advantage of this super high flight rate is our ability to detect and resolve issues that occur once in every 1,000 flights. This is impossible with a low flight rate vehicle." NASA also supports this approach, noting that more frequent flights provide opportunities to identify and correct potential issues early. During the Space Shuttle program, NASA conducted 135 flights from 1981 to 2011, averaging about 4.5 flights per year. The Space Shuttle was a highly complex vehicle requiring extensive inspections and maintenance before and after each flight. In contrast, SpaceX's higher flight rate is made possible through technological innovations and operational efficiency. Falcon rockets can fly with shorter preparation times and lower costs due to features like reusability and modular design. Additionally, SpaceX's automation systems and continuous improvement approach enhance flight safety and minimize operational errors. As of 2023, SpaceX had completed over 60 Falcon 9 flights, and this number continues to grow each year. The company's goal is to surpass 100 flights in 2024. A significant portion of these flights will be uncrewed missions for the Starlink satellite network. This high flight rate allows SpaceX to collect and analyze flight data more rapidly, enabling earlier detection and resolution of potential issues. Consequently, SpaceX's plan to achieve a high number of Falcon flights this year could herald a new era in space exploration. This approach is seen as a crucial step in enhancing the reliability of space vehicles and preemptively identifying potential problems. The collaboration between NASA and SpaceX is opening doors to a safer and more sustainable future in space exploration. This partnership also blurs the lines between space research and commercial space activities. With NASA's support, private companies like SpaceX achieving higher flight rates helps lower the costs of space research, creating more scientific and commercial opportunities. This development is considered a promising advancement for the future of space exploration. SpaceX, encountering such unexpected setbacks, once again highlights the complexity and challenges inherent in the field of space research. SpaceX's high flight rates and reusable rocket technology are making space exploration more accessible and economical. Through this strategy, the company is creating new opportunities in space for both commercial and scientific purposes. The Starlink project is a key part of this effort, aiming to bridge the digital divide by expanding internet access worldwide. Space travel and technology are constantly evolving in changing fields. While SpaceX's recent setback is unexpected and undesirable, it underscores the inherent risks and challenges of space exploration. However, such incidents also accelerate technological advancements and provide valuable lessons for safer and more effective space missions in the future. Stay tuned to keep up with what's happening in this exciting world of space exploration and technology. To discover the secrets of the universe, learn about the latest developments, and groundbreaking discoveries, follow our channel. If you enjoyed our video, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to avoid missing any future videos. Don't forget to share your comments with us. Your thoughts and questions are very valuable to us. We look forward to sharing more exciting information and discoveries with you in our next video. Until then, may your passion for exploring the mysteries of the universe never fade. Goodbye, and take care.